Hello. So in this video I'm going to share some nice imaging tools that you can use to transform your image to a professional. So you have a product for sale, and then you've done the picture, you've taken picture with the product with your phone, you've taken picture of the product with your phone, but you need a professional editor to use all those difficult Photoshop, CorelDRAW to edit the image, and most times they are very expensive. Okay, but these things has really changed now. All these things you can do it by yourself. It's very easy and simple. Now look at this image too I'm going to give to you now, that you can use to edit your image to a really professional one, like remove background from image and then give it the color that you want and everything, all the twisting that you want to a professional product image. These tools are very necessary. Okay, I'm just going to provide two. There are so many out there, but this tool has been very helpful to me. So all right, let's check it out. So hello guys, yeah, I'm using my mobile phone right now. Reason being that most persons use this mobile phone and not everyone uses laptop. So the first image tool that I'm going to show to you here is um, okay, remove.bg. So if you are using laptop or you're going to the web page, you can go to remove.bg. But if you have an Android phone or maybe an Apple phone, you can go to your Android store or iOS store. You just type remove bg, and then you have this app come up. This you can see it right here. All right, so here I am. Let's say, look at this now. Let's say I want to remove background from an image, a product image. I've already taken the picture. Okay, no matter whatever I use to take the picture, either phone or camera, just what I just need to do is to upload the image. Click on upload, then choose the particular image I want to remove background from. All right, I need a good image. I need something better. Okay, let me choose a model. Let's say I want to remove background from this model here. Just upload it. Automatically it will remove the background itself. This tool or this app will remove the background, and then you have it looking this way. Let's hold on a little bit. And the good thing about this app is that you can change as much as possible. You can change the background, you can blur it. Can you see how wonderful it is? It has totally removed the background. If you are using Microsoft Word or you're using a Photoshop editor, you know how long this will take you to cut everything here inch by inch to remove background from the image. So now the good thing about this is you can edit this thing you can click on edit. You can choose the background that you want. For instance, you can decide to blur it. Let's say leaving the previous background, you can just decide to blur the previous background, and you can choose the intensity of your blur. Okay, let me use a drawing tool. We have, okay, you can see it's blur already. You can blur the background this way. You can choose the intensity of blur. This is low intensity, higher intensity, highest intensity. Okay, let's assume we'll choose this one. You can see that it's not in at all. The intensity is high. Then you can choose the background. Let's say I choose something like this. Really amazing, right? Really amazing. but you can see at the other end it's a kind of, let's click on it again. I don't want it to be, let's keep it this way here, so you can see it just remove the background. So there are a whole lot of different backgrounds that one can choose, and then it will just beautify your image. It will make everything that that you're using for your website or your product look so amazing. And the good thing about this whole thing is you can upload the particular image background you would like to use. You see, there's a lot of twists around this. Okay, let me choose image background that I like to use. Image background that I like to use. Well, let me choose the same person, something like this. This is really, this is a test, so I'm not choosing anything really good. You can see, oh, this look crunchy though. All right, so then you can decide to blur it a bit. So you can play around with it, so you can use it to remove as many images. So this tool is very effective. That's what I really use personally. Okay, so let me choose the one I really want right now. I want this particular one. Okay, this is okay. You know, if you're using mobile phone, once you click on it, you have to hold on a little bit, and then it takes some time to respond. Okay, I've chosen that already. Then I can close there, and then I can save by clicking on this download button here. Okay, preparing for image for download. Now if I click on download, it will download image, but personally, after removing background from the image or changing background of the image, I would like to increase the work on the color of the image, so I can share it directly to the next app that I'm about to introduce to you. This one is called Photoshop Express. So to access this app, you can get it on your Play Store, Google Play Store, or iOS Store, and it's free. It's totally free. And then you can increase the brightness. You can choose different coloring, nature. I love this nature more, so you can improve on the coloring. You see, you can increase the intensity or reduce the intensity. So whatever you want to do, you can do something like a splash, or something like this. A splash, like this. It's a splash. So you can play around with this as much as possible. Let me choose one for the purpose of this tutorial right now. Let me choose, so I choose one here before now. Vibrant. I really love this vibrant because it's really good, man. Like, it's excellent. Okay, and then the next thing, when you've done that, you could decide to save it directly. Save it, or if you check around, this part is for, you know, the coloring and everything. Then here you can see light effect, light leaks, broken, whatever. There are some other effects that could be added to it. Paper effect, then, and all of that. There are so many effects that could be added to it. That's if you are editing other pictures. Okay. Then here is for crop. If you want to crop, then here is for split tone. You can split tone here. Then here is that part you can also blur and do whatever. Then Here you can remove blemishes. Like if there's a blemish on your image, you can remove it. Then you have here you could remove red eye, and then here text. You can add text to it. Let's say I want to add text here. Once you click on it, then I can use the click here to edit it, or double tap it to edit it. Let's call this Bami, because this is Bami. Let's just do that. Alright, done. Okay, I just did that right now. Let me reduce it a bit. Okay, to reduce the text, you have to tap by the lower right and then keep it this way. And every other two here are just emoji, whatever. I'd love to, if you wish to add all these things and all of that, but you know, for a product image you are not adding all these things. What most cases what you add, as maybe if you have to add text, is maybe the pricing, or maybe your username, your Instagram username, or your store username, and all of that. Then you can click on save, and you can save it to gallery or share it directly. Your image is saved. Okay, so that is a tool that you can use to remove background from your image or blur background. All right, so the other tool that you can use to just blur your image background is called blur image. If you are using an Android phone, you can check your Google Play Store. This, you see this blur image background. So I don't really need to go over this that much, because it's very easy to use. You just need to upload your image and then be tapping at the section you want to blur, and that's all. But since I have the other two, this may most cases is not really too relevant for me for a product image, because they remove BG is enough. So anyway, that's all for now. Thank you for, I hope you subscribe and then click the notification bell, so that each time I upload you receive notification about my videos. So thank you, see you.